Good morning, student. We are doing work on exercise number 3.6, and some question of this exercise has been solved. But today I am going to solve some questions just like question number 2, command question number 2, word problem. First part of question number 2, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. Student, this is the most important question for you. And I can say that definitely this question is not, but this type of question definitely you find you in your board examination. तो बच्चों मैं चाहूंगा कि इसको आप सीरियसली स्टडी करें. कैसे करते हैं आइए. First we consider speed of boat and speed of stream or current. Let speed of boat equal to x km per hour in still water and speed of current equal to y km per hour. Therefore, when we are going down speed, then speed of boat is equal to the speed of boat plus speed of current. Therefore, speed of boat downstream equal to x plus y km per hour and speed of boat upstream equal to same speed of boat minus speed of current x minus y km per hour. Therefore, ATQ Ritu travels 20 km in 2 hours downstream. Therefore, x plus 20 km 20 km distance upon speed equal to 2 hours. This now 2 into x plus y equal to 20, x plus y equal to 10. First equation. And Ritu travels 4 km in 2 hours upstream. That means 4 upon x minus y equal to 2. 2 into x minus y equal to 4. Now x minus y equal to 2. Equation number 6. You generated equation number 1 and 2. Now we will solve it. X plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. Adding them. When you add it, then y will be cancelled. 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. That is 6. 6. And from 1, 6 plus y equal to 10, y equal to 4. Therefore, you can say that speed of boat is 6 km per hour and speed of current is equal to 4 km per hour That is your answer. And this is the most important question for you. And do much exercise on this type of question if you want to get mark on this question in your board examination. Now come on, question number second. Second part of question number second. Second part is 2 women and 5 men can together finish and embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women, 5 men. Second part है 2 women plus 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. 4 days. And while 3 women and 6 men, 3 women, 6 men, then this work be finished in 3 days. Question is that find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. 1 man and 1 man. वुमेन सेपरेटली कितना टाइम लेते हैं अलग अलग उस वर्क को फिनिश करने में, दैट इज आवर टारगेट. ये हमारा टारगेट है, इसे हमें अचीव करना. वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम टेकन बाय द 1 वुमेन टू कंप्लीट द वर्क एंड टाइम टेकन बाय द 1 मैन टू कंप्लीट द वर्क. let 1 woman can complete the work in X days and 1 man can complete the work in Y days. If 1 woman complete the work in X days, then work done by the 1 woman in 1 day equal to 1 by X. Therefore, work done by the 1 woman in 4 days, 4 by X. Therefore, work done by 3 women, 2 women, 2 into 4 by X. Okay? 2 into 4 by X. Similarly, work done by 5 men in 4 days equal to 5 into 4 upon 5. And the total work is complete. Therefore, ATQ1, 2 into 4 by X, 5 into 4 by Y equal to 1. You can say that 8 by X, 20 by Y equal to 1. Now the first. Similarly, according to second, 3 into 3 by X plus 6 into 3 by Y equal to 1. Now 9 by X, 18 by Y equal to 1. Second equation. Equation number now we are going to solve it. 8 by X, 20 upon Y equal to 1 and 9 by X plus 18 upon Y equal to 1, first and second. I want to eliminate Y. If you want to eliminate Y, then LCM of 20 and 18. 20 and 18. Multiply 18 by this and 20 by this. Then 18 8 ja 144 by X plus 360 YY 18 180 by X upon Y equal to 20. Subtract them. This will be cancelled and finally minus 6 36 upon Y equal to minus 2. Minus will be also cancelled So then 2y equal to 36. Now y equal to 36 by 2, that is 18. What is the meaning? That means one man can complete the total work in 18 days. Now come on, to find the value of x from equation number 1. From equation number 1, 8 by x plus 20 by 18 equal to 1. Now 2 9 ja, 2 10 ja. Here is 8 by x equal to 1 minus 10 by 9. 20 by 18, sorry, 20 by 18. Y is equal to 18. Y equal to 18. Substitute in at 8 by x plus 20 by y equal to 1. 1 minus this. Something goes wrong. 4 by x to 8 by x. 20 by y equal to this. 9 by x. 18 by y equal to this. 8 20 9 18. Then 18 8 जा 18 8 टाइम 64 8 का 8 6 14 सही 18 दूनी 36 सही 18 20 20 में 180 18 दूनी 36 से कैंसिल आउट हुआ और 10 6 7 3 ये भी and minus 2 2y equal to 36 and y equal to 18. Okay, y equal to 18, then x is equal to 1 minute from 2 110 1 minute. I am going to check the question again. 3 days, 3 and 6, 3 plus 6 and 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 in 4 days, 3 plus 6 in 3 days. Okay, 3.6. 3.6 3.6 क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का सेकंड पार्ट. and 36. One man can finish the body work. One woman 18. This is sorry. Y will be cancelled here. X. Okay. This is the value of x. Therefore, from 1, 8 by 18 plus 20 by y equal to 1. Then 2 4 ja, 2 9 ja. Then 20 by y equal to 1 minus 4 upon 9. That is 5 by 9. 20 upon y. Now 5 equal to 20 into 9. 5 4 ja, y equal to 36. That means one man can finish that work in 36 days and one woman can finish the work in 18 days. That is your answer. This is the most important question. Second part of your second question, please one time again see your question. Question is that one woman, 2 women and 5 men can finish a work in 4 days, and 3 women and 6 men can finish the work together in 3 days. Problem is that we have to find the number of days taken by one woman to finish the work and by one man to finish the work. I considered that one woman can finish the work in X days and one man can finish the work in Y days. If one woman can finish the work in X days, therefore work done by one woman in 1 day equal to 1 by X. Total, according to ATQ1, total work be doing in 4 days. Therefore, work done by one woman in 4 days, that is 4 by X. Total number of women 2. Therefore, work done in 4 days by 2 women, that is 2 into 4 by X, that is 8 by X. Similarly, work done by one man in 1 day is 1 upon Y. Work done by one man in 4 days, 4 upon Y. Number of 5 men, therefore work done by 5 men in 4 days, 5 into 4, 20 upon Y. And ATQ1, total work done by man and work done by woman. Both are equal to 1. That is complete. This is the work. And similarly ATQ2. When you generated the equation, then solve it by any method and find your result. So student, I stop here. 2 questions solve हुआ है. तो third question, only 1 question remaining of this exercise and it's your homework. I will check you tomorrow and I hope that you will try to solve it. If you will do it, then very good. Otherwise, I will solve it. Okay, thank you.